everybody, hope all is well, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I am unboxing stuff from Nordstrom's. So I went a little nuts because I am digging Sandro. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, authentic like today, I DIY, I compare bags and review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started, folks. What insanity did I get myself into today? Oh my God, that was a tongue twister. Okay, I didn't want to drop anything because this is not cheap. Anyway, let's start with the least expensive item, Halogen. I love Halogen. And it's because of this Instagram person called Blair something. Blair. Sorry if I got that wrong, but these are cheap. Now I did cheat and opened it early because this one came before the other items. So these are like these really cute trousers. They kind of like bell bottom out, or they're just wide legged, and they have these like little velvet hearts, and it's very, very high waisted, which I'm glad is in right now because I love high waisted, and it's really cute. I am 5'4". My waist is like 27, 26.8. I got a size 4, and on Halogen I purchased trousers that were like size 2, but I don't know, 4 to me was a more comfy fit. So these are not real pockets. They're not, I hate that. But it's okay because these are gonna probably fit snug. These are pockets, but they're very shallow in the back. You know how they are, ladies, with us in our pockets. So that's one item. High-waisted pants. They are so cute. Just give you an idea how they fit. They're really, really high-waisted. So now for the goodies. I purchased this Sandro. Now I wasn't gonna buy it at the store because it was a big sale. Nordstrom's is doing a price match, so it is awesome. They matched the price, or even it's a little lower. So this was on sale. I got size 2 because I did wear size 1 at Sandro and I tried it on, and size 1 did actually fit the waist, but my hips was a little bit snug. And my husband liked it because he likes things tight on me. Anyway, this size 2, it's a little bit looser on the, it doesn't matter. I'd rather have it looser than like tight in other places. That's it. It is lined. There's no pockets. So this one is a great example of, fashion, and it's not practical because it has no pockets. Yes, I got the matching flannel coat. Oh my God, it's so freaking adorable. I got a size 40 because I want like oversized. I want an oversized coat. And this is kind of like a jacket coat, or what they call it, shacket. Yeah, I don't know what they call it. Maybe you could comment, let me know what they call like coats that look like shirts. But this really is warm. It's wool, I believe. It's 40 for an oversized look. And each button, Sandro. See that? I love this, so I don't know, I'm really happy that I purchased this. It was all like, I think a 30% discount, which is still pricey, but for me, like, certain things are worth purchasing authentic, honestly. Some things it's like, nah, I wouldn't pay that much and I just buy an evil twin, but certain items I need to buy it authentic. Mainly Gucci, but cute. Sandro skirt for my authentic, I was gonna say Google. I can wear my authentic Gucci boots. Looking cute. Put that coat on. Oh my God, folks. This is such an adorable oversized coat. I think it's size 40 for the coat. And these are size 2. Well, this is a high-waisted skirt. Yeah. So adorable. Loving it, folks. Just loving it. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.